How do birds know where to migrate? Every year, as seasons change, millions of birds take to the skies and travel thousands of kilometers to places they have never seen before. Tiny songbirds weighing less than a coin fly across oceans, deserts, and mountains with astonishing accuracy. This incredible journey raises a fascinating question: how do birds know where to migrate? The answer lies in a combination of natural instincts, environmental cues, and remarkable biological abilities that have evolved over millions of years. At the heart of bird migration is instinct. Birds are born with an internal program that tells them when to migrate, in which general direction to fly, and how long the journey should last. Young birds migrating for the first time often travel alone without guidance from parents, yet still reach the correct destination. This shows that migration is not learned only by watching others, it is deeply coded into their biology. Scientists call this an inherited migratory map and compass. One of the most important tools birds use is the sun. During the day, many birds navigate by tracking the sun's position in the sky. They don't just look at where the sun is, they also have an internal biological clock that helps them compensate for the sun's movement across the sky. This allows them to maintain a steady direction even as the day progresses. Experiments have shown that when a bird's internal clock is altered, its sense of direction shifts too, proof of how tightly time and sunlight are linked in navigation. At night, migrating birds turn their attention to the stars. Many species migrate after sunset to avoid predators and overheating. Birds can recognize patterns of stars and use them like a celestial map. Studies have shown that birds raised under artificial skies learn to orient themselves based on star patterns, especially around the North Star, which remains relatively fixed. This star-based navigation is especially important for long-distance night migrants. Another astonishing ability birds possess is sensitivity to the Earth's magnetic field. Birds have a built-in magnetic compass that helps them detect the planet's magnetic lines. This sense allows them to know which way is north or south, even on cloudy days when the sun and stars are hidden. Some scientists believe special proteins in birds' eyes react to magnetic fields, allowing them to see magnetic directions, while others suggest iron-rich cells in their beaks play a role. Either way, this magnetic sense acts as a reliable backup navigation system. Birds also rely heavily on landmarks. Rivers, coastlines, mountain ranges, and even highways can serve as visual guides during migration. Older birds, especially those that migrate in groups, refine their routes year after year by memorizing familiar features of the landscape. This combination of instinct and experience helps improve accuracy and efficiency over time. Smell also plays a role for certain species. Birds like pigeons use olfactory cues, detecting subtle differences in scents carried by winds. These smell maps help them determine their position relative to their destination. While not all birds rely on smell, for some it is a powerful navigational aid. Environmental signals such as temperature changes, daylight length, and food availability act as migration triggers. As days become shorter or longer, hormonal changes occur in birds' bodies, signaling that it's time to prepare for migration. This ensures they leave before conditions become too harsh and arrive when food is plentiful. What makes bird migration truly extraordinary is that birds do not depend on just one method. They use multiple navigation systems at once, cross-checking information from the sun, stars, magnetic fields, landmarks, and instincts. If one system fails, others take over. This layered approach is why birds can adapt to challenges like storms, strong winds, or unexpected obstacles. In simple terms, birds know where to migrate because nature has equipped them with an advanced built-in navigation toolkit, far more precise than anything humans could design at such a small scale. Their journeys are a powerful reminder of how intelligent and finely tuned the natural world is. If you found this article interesting and learned something new about the amazing world of birds, share and subscribe for more simple science stories that uncover the hidden wonders of nature.